Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing/grating/shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately. Coffee maker. Fresh, authentic coffee taste. Featuring a 4-level filtration system, complete with a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and final mesh screen. It effectively filters out coffee grounds while extracting the aromatic oils and subtle flavors. This preserves the natural oils and flavors of the coffee, allowing you to enjoy a rich, pure taste free from sediment and grit. Stainless steel stylish design. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel, this coffee press combines strength and elegance. The sturdy construction and robust metal handle ensure lasting durability, while its transparent body allows you to watch your coffee brew, adding a touch of sophistication to your morning routine and complementing any kitchen decor. Kitchen tongs set. Food-level stainless steel. The heavy-duty Hotech kitchen tongs built with stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with a set of 2 standard 9 cooking tongs and large-sized 12 barbecue grill tongs. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Pull ring lock and unlock and hanging loop. This kitchen tongs set has locking mechanism. Pull the ring for lock and push for unlock, super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use, or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it, space saving. Engineering for safety. New design pattern for the handle, better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling any risk of burning your hands. Mini maker. More than pancakes. Make individual servings for eggs, cookies, pancakes, grilled cheese without the need for multiple pots/pans. Compact plus lightweight. Weighing 1 lb plus. This is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Cord length, 31 inches. Quick plus easy. Simply plug it in and wait for indicator light to turn off. It heats up in mere minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results, each and every time. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. Includes the 350-watt mini griddle maker, includes recipe book and recipe database access. Electric knife sharpener. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Treaser 15-15-degree edges. Diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 dB and 75 dB. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Electric sandwich maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet press sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cups set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tiluk offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product.